In this video, I will be showing you how you can get a free $50 money for you to start trading your Forex account in 2025. It requires no deposit at all. And also, I'll be sharing with you the withdrawal proofs from this particular program that we are going to be getting our free $50 no deposit bonus from. All you just have to do is to watch this video till the very end. And as you can see right here on my screen, this is my Telegram channel. A lot of people have been withdrawing back to back from our recent update. So if you know that you are interested in getting free funded accounts or making money online in 2025, make sure that you click on the subscription button and turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video on how to make money online in 2025 and how to get free funded Forex account in 2025, you won't miss out on the opportunity. So now, the first step you have to take is for you to join my Telegram channel. So once you join my Telegram channel, a link will be available for you there. The link for you to be able to get this free $50 no deposit bonus. So once you click on the link, you'll be redirected back to this interface showing up right here on our screen. And this is where you have to pay full attention to what I'll be showing you in this video, because I'll be guiding you through step-by-step processes on how to get this free $50 no deposit bonus. And if you miss any step, I'm afraid you won't be able to get this bonus. So make sure you watch closely and pay full attention. So once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to fill in the necessary details. So once you are done filling in the necessary details, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on register now. So let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly to show you the next thing for you to do. So once you click on register, they will bring out something like this for you. As you can see, congratulations, new account has been successfully registered. Your account needs to be validated, right? So within next few minutes, you will receive an email to your email, all right? So it is your validation link. The next thing for us to do in order for us to validate our account is for us to go to our email account and click on our validation link so that our account can be validated, so that we can also proceed into getting our free $50 no deposit bonus. So let's go to our email account. So this is me right now in my email account, and as you can see, this is our validation link as we have been told. So the next thing for us to do is for us to validate our email account by clicking on confirm email address. So once you click on your email address, they will bring it out for you that your account has been validated, all right? So it will take us to the next step, which is for us to verify our KYC, all right? Which is for us to verify our KYC. So I'm going to guide you through how you can verify your KYC, because it is important that you verify your KYC before you can be able to get this free $50 no deposit bonus. All right, so let me show you. So in order for you to verify your account, these are the 3 steps that you have to follow, which is for you to enter your personal details, fill in your financial information, and upload your documents. So in order for you to further and proceed, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on start my application. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to start with your personal information. So enter your name, enter your date of birth, your month and your year, and the necessary details. And once you're done, just scroll down and click on next. So it will take you to the next thing that you have to do. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So once you click on next, it's going to bring you to the second step, which is for you to enter your employment information, which includes your employment status and other details. So once you're done, just click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, which is where you have to verify your KYC, which includes your documents. All right, so the next thing for you to do is for you to click on continue. So once you click on continue, these are the steps that you are going to take. And the step 1 is for you to provide your identity document, and the step 2 is for you to provide a liveness check. All right, so the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this box and enter your email and click on continue. So it will bring you to somewhere like this. It will bring you to somewhere like this, And the next thing for you to choose, if you are not from United States, is for you to choose all countries except from United States, alright? So once you are done, click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to select your country and your document type, which can either be your ID card, your passport, or your driver license. But as for me, I'll be going with my ID card. Alright, I'll be going with my ID card, and my country is Nigeria, so I'll click on continue. And I want you to know that this no deposit bonus is not available for all countries, but I'll be discussing the country that is not available for, and I'll also be discussing the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Alright, so now once you get to this place, the step that you're going to take is for you to upload your front ID and your back ID. So in order for you to upload your front ID, click on front side space, and in order for you to upload your back side ID, click on back side space, and once you are done uploading, just click on continue. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. To verify your identity will not take you a lot of time, alright? Will not take you a lot of time. It will only be done within few minutes. So once you're done with those steps, it will take you to the next step, which is for you to do your liveness check. All right. So these are the tips for you to be verified without any delay. Tip number one is for you to find a well-lit place, ensure your face is within, and don't wear a hat or glasses or mask. So you can also view their guidelines. All right. So make sure that you click on continue. So once you click on continue, allow your camera access. Allow your camera access so that you'll be able to take your liveness check without any delay. So once you are done with the uploading, it's going to bring out something like this, which says verifying our data. So as you can see, it will take up to few minutes. Please wait for the uploading to be completed. All right. So once you wait, you will receive an email from them when your account has been verified. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on next. So this is me waiting for some time, and as you can see, this is the message I just received from them that my account has been verified. So the next thing for us to do is for us to go back and log in. So this is the moment that we are going to be receiving our free $50 no deposit bonus. So pay attention, click on login. So once you get to this place, just enter your registered email and your registered password and click on remember me for better and faster login some other time. So once you're done, click on login now. As you can see, our balance is still zero. So now I'll be showing you how you can get your free $50 no deposit bonus. So the next thing for you to do is for you to open an account. So click on open account. Alright, so click on open account, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. Select USD, and select standard. Select standard and enter your profile password in here, and once you're done, click on submit request. So as you can see, your account has been completed already, but it has not been funded, which means that you haven't received your no deposit bonus yet. But this is our login credentials for our MT5 trader app. All right, this is it. So now I'll be showing you how you can get the free $50 no deposit bonus inside your account. So as you can see now, our account is now active, and the platform that you'll be using to trade your free $50 no deposit bonus is your Meta5 trader app, and our balance is still zero. So now the next thing for you to do is for you to copy your account ID, copy it. All right, so copy your account ID. And I want you to note that the account type is real account. Make sure that you select a real account, alright? Don't go and make a mistake of selecting a demo. Or the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down and click on this three line by the right side, click on it and click on support. So once you click on support, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. The next thing for you to do is for you to click on add ticket. Click on add ticket. and click on select and select a general query and come down to subject, type no deposit bonus, and come down to type your request, which is I would love to receive a free $50 no deposit bonus. This is my ID, and don't forget to input your ID. You'll find your ID after you've created the live account I told you to create the other time. So you'll find your ID. It is below your account where you'll see types of account and all other things where I explained the platform that you're going to be using. So enter your ID and click on save. Click on send, and once you click on send, within a few time, you will receive a message from them that you've been credited with a free $50 no deposit bonus. And if you don't know how to log in your free $50 no deposit bonus account on your MT5 Trader app, you can go and watch some of my videos which I have explained how to do that. So now let's talk about the terms and conditions. So now, as you can see, these are the terms and conditions for withdrawal. So to withdraw your profit generated from to withdraw profit generated from the $50 no deposit bonus, trader must meet all the following requirements. The number one is for you to accumulate total trading volume of 0.5 lots, right? And the minimum trade you must place is 5 trades. Alright, 5 trades. Each trade must remain open for at least 5 minutes. So any trade that you place must remain open for at least 5 minutes. Each of the 5 required position must be at least 0.1 lot size. Alright, 0.1 lot. Once any withdrawal is made from the MT5 account, the $50 no deposit bonus will be removed. So you can't withdraw twice, you can only withdraw once. Once you make transfer from your MT5 account to your wallet, you can't withdraw again. Thank you guys for watching. For more inquiries and more details, join my Telegram channel and DM me personally, and I will gladly reply. Have a great day.